Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You are watching Sampath 7fx channel, and in this video I am going to discuss about Pixel extended version 2.3 based on Android 11 for Redmi Note 5 Pro. I mean the Wired. As you can see, I am dialing here, and you can see it's Android 11 based on 5th January security patch, and here you can edit the toggles. As you can see, from here you can drag it the icons in the notification toggles. As you can see, like this you can add the toggles, and this is the Android security patch of 5th January for Redmi Note 5 Pro. As you can see, this is the Pixel extended OS ROM, and it's smooth UI. UI is smooth as Pixel experience with added features. Let me check out the Play Store. And coming to settings in the Play Store, as you can see, the device is certified, hence we can run the safety net test. Let me run it. As you can see, it is passed, and you can use banking apps and everything. It is working fine in this ROM. Let's check the Geekbench scores I have running right now. As you can see, single score 272 and 1200. Anything between this for Redmi Note 5 Pro is good. 300 is max we get, but this is okay. And this is the Google dialer we'll get, and this is the Google messaging app, and Play Store I already shown. As you can see, now coming to camera app, you'll get this MIUI camera app. If you want, you can install Gcam. Urinix Gcam is what I will prefer for this Wired, and you can use anything. Let me tap on this and using photo. Let me take it. As you can see, it's fine, no problem. Viewing full screen, got it. Okay, this okay. This is fine, no problem in this ROM, as you can see. And now coming to this recorder app is also available, Android 11 based, hence it's available. Now coming to settings, here it is pixels, and then we have here different types of customization. As you can see, lock screen, even the icons customization are available. And now this like enable advanced restart, and even the volume panel style you can change it from here. As you can see, like this it is available. Now going to this battery settings, we'll get all these settings. As you can see, battery usage is also fine. I was using this ROM for last 10 days. It's fine, no problem in this ROM. As you can see, even the smart charging is also available. For simple users, this ROM is very good. You can use it as a daily driver for simple users. As you can see, even the smart charging is available, and battery saver, extreme battery saver option is also available based on Android 11, hence it's available. Now coming to display settings, you will get this cool animation here above, and even the dark theme is also available. I mean the dark mode of the Android 11. As you can see, it's everything is in dark. Now going to display settings, even the night light feature is also working fine. As you can see, the adaptive brightness is also fine. It's too much bright. Let me adjust lower the brightness. As you can see, in advanced settings you will have all these colors, accent colors. You can change it to anyone based upon your liking. Even the primary color also you can choose. I mean in the dark mode it will be visible. This I will select AMOLED black. You can select anything. Even pitch black, like that you can select it. These are the display settings, you will get it. And now coming to sound settings, these are the settings you will get it. As you can see, nothing new here, simple UI. Any stock ROM same settings. As you can see, accessibility, we will have that accessibility menu. As you can see, swipe from using the gestures, about using 2 fingers, you will get the accessibility menu. Touch and hold delay also you can choose it out from here. And coming to this, I will disable it. As you can see, and from here you can take the screenshot and you can share, edit and delete directly after taking the screenshot. Now going to system, advanced settings, going this gesture settings. As you can see, you can use gesture navigation, 2 button, single button, and even you can adjust haptic feedback after that, and even the pill size, I mean the gesture, scrolling speeds, everything is fine. On the flashlight, Bluetooth, everything is fine in this ROM. As you can see, swiping, everything is smooth here. You can use it as a dull driver if you want like simple UI. And checking the fingerprint scanner, as you can see, it's quick. Any ROM also you can use, it's quick here. And do comment down below if you want to see any similar kind of videos based on Redmi Note 5 Pro, any prescribed ROM. Do mention in the comment section and how is the video. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. You will get similar kind of videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Bye.